Hi, I am Marian Maicatino, a Filipino environmental planner. In this video, we will go through PlanSmart, an app that will help you create your rehabilitation and recovery plans more effectively and more timely. To start, go to plansmart.georisk.gov.ph and log in your credentials using your email and password. Upon signing in, the first page that you will see is a dashboard that contains the plans that you are creating or are managing. To create a new plan, click the Add New Plan button. In this pop-up form that appears, you can see the different details na kailangan nating ipasok tungkol sa ating disaster event. The Disaster Event tab contains the different disasters that you can create your rehabilitation and recovery plans for. In this case, we will choose Typhoon Odette. The plan title is automatically generated by the app. In the hazard type drop-down, you can select the different associated hazards with Typhoon Odette. Typhoon Odette is associated with landslides and storm surge. We also need to input the event date of a Typhoon Odette. Ang Typhoon Odette ay nangyari noong December 2021. Then, ilalagay natin yung planning period na coverage ng ating rehabilitation and recovery plan. In this case, we can select January 2022 as the start and December 2024 as the end of our planning period. Upon checking your inputs, click Save para makreate yung inyong bagong plan. The new window contains 4 main tabs corresponding sa 4 na sections ng rehabilitation and recovery plan. The background of the plan, the LGU profile, the impacts of the disaster, and the disaster rehabilitation and recovery program. Sa background of the plan, makikita natin yung in-input nating details nung umpisa, kasama yung hazard types na associated sa disaster event at yung coverage ng ating planning period. Sa LGU profile, dito natin makikita yung physical, socio-economic, hazard attributes ng ating local government unit. In this example, makikita natin yung land area ng Cebu City at yung number of barangays sa Cebu City. Makikita rin natin sa socio-economic data yung population at poverty incidence. Sa impacts of disaster, dito magkakaroon ng auto-generated assessments gamit yung building footprint na gagawin ninyo sa GeoMapper PH. Pwedeng projected, pwede ring actual. Sa Disaster Rehabilitation and Recovery Program, dito natin paplanuhin kung paano ba magre-rehabilitate at magre-recover ang ating munisipyo from the disaster. Dito natin i-identify yung ating objectives, strategies, and priority programs and activities. An important reminder is to save every time you add additional inputs or edit. Saving includes those edits sa inyong rehabilitation and recovery plan. To view your working R&R plan, click the View R&R Plan button. A generated PDF will appear containing maps, charts, tables, and narratives for your disaster rehabilitation and recovery plan. So that's PlanSmart. Hopefully, PlanSmart helps you create disaster rehabilitation and recovery plans more effectively and more timely. Thank you.